Hello everyone, welcome to my kitchen. Today I want to make something special, something I don't make regularly. It is not your regular, and it is pepper soup. Now I have this original pepper soup spice, you can see, from Nigeria, and I'm going to put a western twist to this Nigerian pepper soup. I'm going to add some potato slices, you can see they are small slices. I'm going to add some veggies like carrots and the likes. I'm going to add some tilapia fish. I'm going to add some other fishes, and I'm going to add some other chicken, and I'm going to add, this aromatic spice full of onions and the likes. And I'm also going to add salt. My salt is not here. So you don't want to miss out on this. So if you want to make a very tasty and filling pepper soup, then join me now. What am I going to do first? I'm going to get my pot, and I'm first of all going to blanch my potato until it is like 70% done. Then I'm going to put in my fish and meat blocks. They call it chicken blocks. I'm going to put it in, allow them to be like 80% done. Then I add in my vegetable and my pepper soup spice. That pepper soup spice is going to make a whole lot of difference. You see, for those of you that are not Nigerians, this pepper soup spice is given to people who just delivered baby to help them to, eat up their womb for fast recovery. So it's like a postpartum soup. Yes, I am not taking it for that purpose. I'm just taking it to enjoy and, have a nice healthy soup. But if you are having a baby very soon, or you just had your baby like some weeks back, some months back, you can enjoy this pepper soup. It helps your womb to come back together stronger and healthier. So that's the tip for you mothers out there. Your postpartum recovery should be enjoyable with this rich and healthy pepper soup. Just get your pot with enough water. Remember, your pepper soup is not supposed to be thick, so you can put in a little more water. Like I said initially, your potato comes in first. It takes a little more time. I'm not going to use everything because we are not making potato here. We are making pepper soup, and these potato vegetables are just an addition. Most people make their pepper soup without potato, without vegetables. But I will like to put in vegetable and potato. Most people just make it with meat or fish or, stock fish, different types of fishes or fresh fish. Some people make it with beef, some people make it with chicken. But I am going to make mine with potato alongside the fish and the chicken. So these are potato. I'm going to allow it to blanch for some minutes to get like 70% done, and then other things comes in. Our potato is getting really cooked, so I want to put in our fish. It's still frozen, so it will defrost in there. Then I'll put in some of our chicken. So everything is coming together gradually. The fish, the meat, the potato, they are all there. In a few minutes time, I'm going to start putting all the spices. The pepper soup spice is the most important. It's the defining ingredient in this local Western pepper soup. So I'm going to add little salt to taste. All right. And then I'm going to add the aromatic spices. Now our fish and potato is like 80% ready, so I'm going to add in our vegetable. Remember, the vegetable is frozen, so I have to add it early enough. Just going to add a little. And then after a few minutes, I'm going to add the main ingredient, which is the pepper soup spice. So this is our pepper soup. It's all coming together. You can see all the other additions is making the pepper soup look really colorful. So you don't have to do pepper soup exactly the traditional way of just putting pepper soup and fish in water. You can add some greens and some vegetables, and all these will come together to make it rich and nutritious. So now this is the final moment where we have the main ingredients. This pepper soup spice contains nutmeg and many other local spices from Nigeria, and the aroma is just refreshing. If you see, the color of the pepper soup has now changed significantly. The color, the aroma, everything is just different from how it works before I had the spice. I just added like 2 teaspoonfuls of this, and I'm going to show you now. This soup is very good for new moms. So if you're a new mom out there, this is good for you. Let me bring the camera close and you see what is happening here. You can see that our pepper soup is already 98% done. It is amazing how the pepper soup spice changes the whole dynamics. The aroma, the color, the taste, everything just comes differently. You can see how rich and how flavorful this is. So to have more enriching pepper soup, you can add some little noodles into it. All right, you can see some little noodles, not so much. You can add as many things that you want into the pepper soup. You have some corn. I added it off camera, and you can also do that. And that is the reason why I tell you to be innovative in the kitchen, to think outside the box. You can add as many things as you want into your pepper soup. To serve your pepper soup, you serve it in a soup bowl like this, and then you ensure that all the ingredients of your pepper soup are well represented in the bowl, right? So this is for the entire family, and
amongst the stars. She's so resilient. She's an encouragement to other women in the world, empowering others to become leaders. She's a wonderful woman.
Go ahead and make yours. If you enjoyed this video, please do well to like, comment, share. You can take this pepper soup also with whatever you want, maybe 1 slice of bread and all of that, but this is already filling. Remember, I have potato in there, I have vegetables in there, I have chicken and fish in there, so this is already filling. For some people who eat heavily, you can get a slice of bread with it, or you can get some more potatoes in there, or you can take it with whatever. Some people even eat it with rice. So go ahead and make yours. Please do well to like, comment and share this video, support this page, and subscribe to the channel. Bye bye.